Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you could buy Dogwifhat on Solana with your Phantom wallet. Now, it's a very easy process, very simple, but make sure you watch this video so you can understand what to do. So let's get right into it right here, starting off with coinmarketcap.com. Now, this is a pretty reputable website where all the verified, cryptos are on here. So you could basically just look for dog with hat without a single problem. So search up dog with hat in the search bar, and then it's going to give you dog with hat. Now the market's been getting pretty hammered lately, but it seems to make a recovery. Hopefully we don't go to zero. But once you're here on WIF, you're going to want to search for the contract address. Contract address is very important. You're going to want to click copy to clipboard. Once you do that, that is the contract address. It's copied, ready to paste. Head over to your Phantom wallet. Click on the swap option. You can see my cursor. Click swap. Now, you're going to want to choose whatever you're going to pay with. So if you have Solana or USDC or whatever other meme coin you have, get ready to exchange it for whatever you're going to want to get. So go on the you receive part right here. You can see you receive where the USDC is at. Click it and then paste the contract address in the search bar. Once you do that, you're then going to want to choose however amount of Solana or USDC you're going to want to use for this transaction. So I'm going to use about, let's see, how much can I do? About 9 cents in width. All right. After that, you can see that we're now paying with their Solana to get some width. Our provider is Meteora, and our price is just, whatever. Fees, 40 cents, price impact, whatever. So if you're okay with that, click swap now. Now, a lot of people might have problems with their orders not getting filled. If that is the case for you, the reason to that is the prices are actively changing. All right, it's very important to keep that in mind when there's a lot of liquidity in the market and a lot of volume for a specific coin. You're gonna have to up the slippage a bit in order to get a good fill for your coin. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all until next time.